In this training video, we're going to take a look at frequently asked questions about working in construction in Australia. So what is construction work? As outlined on the Safe Work SA website, construction work is defined as any work carried out in connection with the construction, alteration, conversion, fitting out, commissioning, renovation, repair, maintenance, refurbishment, demolition, decommissioning, or dismantling of a structure. Construction work covers the housing, commercial, and civil sectors. Construction work may include, but is not limited to, the following: building, housing construction, structural steel erection, carpentry, repairs, demolition work, asbestos removal, bricklaying, plastering, floor and wall tiling, roof tiling, floor covering, concreting, plumbing, electrical, painting, and refurbishment. So what is a duty of care? A duty of care is an obligation to make sure you are taking all necessary care to ensure the safety of yourself and everyone else. So what is personal protective equipment? Personal protective equipment, or for short PPE, is any gear that a construction worker wears in the construction site. The PPE is meant to protect workers from the risks and hazards present in the workplace. This can include goggles to protect the eyes, hard hats, gloves, earplugs, high visibility clothing, steel-toed boots, and safety harnesses, amongst others. So who should provide the PPE? The employer or construction site operator or owner must provide the PPE unless the worker already has the protective equipment. This can also be provided in the form of an allowance that will cover the cost of this protective equipment. No worker should ever be charged, levied, or caused to be charged or levied to obtain the PPE. Salary deduction for work-related items is also prohibited by law. So what is in the induction training course? There are at least two types of induction trainings that a construction worker has to complete before starting any construction work. These are the Occupational Health and Safety Construction Induction Training and Site-Specific or Task-Specific Induction Trainings. The OH&S Construction Induction Training course is required for all individuals who are planning to work or are currently working in any construction site. Completing this course allows workers to earn the needed skills and knowledge to implement occupational health and safety standards. You'll be educated and trained about the basic skills, principles, and knowledge to help you avoid the risks, as well as prevent the hazards that are present in any construction site. You can obtain your safety induction card or white card only if you completed the OH&S training course. The site-specific training courses are implemented on the construction site where you'll be working. This is conducted by the site supervisors and/or employers. These are trainings that are specific to the particular site. The task-specific training course is implemented to train construction workers on how to safely go about their specific tasks. This course is also conducted at the site. So what are the type of topics that are covered in OH&S construction induction training? The following is an overview of topics covered in an induction training course. 1. How to identify and explain occupational health and safety legislative requirements. 2. Understanding the important common terms used in the legislation. 3. Identifying duty of care requirements. 4. Understanding your responsibilities to comply with safe work practices. 5. Basic principles of risk management. 6. Reporting risks through either verbal or written reporting. 7. Safety signs and symbols. 8. Reporting hazards, incidents, and injuries. So who has to complete a white card training course? The OH&S construction training course is also known as the white card training course. All individuals aged 14 and older who plan to work or are working in any construction site is mandated by law to take the induction training course and obtain their white card. This includes persons applying to work as an apprentice, trainees, labourers, tradespersons, contractors, site managers or supervisors, project managers, builders, traffic controllers, regular visitors of a work site. An owner who does construction work on his or her own property does not need to complete the construction induction training course. However, if this property becomes a place where other contractors or subcontractors perform specific tasks or construction work, the construction induction training course then becomes a requirement for everyone. So is a white card recognised in every state in Australia? Yes, the white card is proof that you have taken the induction training course. It is recognised in all states across Australia regardless of where you've taken your training. Now, sometimes this can change ever so slightly depending on the state you want to work in. So if you're unsure about the state in particular you want to work in, then make sure you check out more information on our site, whitecardinfo.com.au, to get all of the answers. So what should I do with my previously issued state-specific coloured cards if you happen to have one? The white card replaced the previously issued state-specific coloured cards, such as the red card of Victoria, blue card of Queensland, or green card of New South Wales and Western Australia. However, if you already have these cards, you can still use them as long as they are not yet expired or cancelled. How long is the white card valid for? The white card has no expiration date as long as you continue to work in the construction industry. If you have a break of more than 2 years, then you may need to redo your white card. Once you've completed the induction training course, you'll be given a statement of attainment, which is a document that you can present to your employers as your temporary proof that you completed the course. Your white card will then be sent to you through the post. Where can you take the white card induction training course? There are many registered training organisations across Australia that provide the OH&S Construction Induction Training course. A number of these RTOs provide face-to-face training as well as online training courses. It is important that you choose the one that is accredited and nationally recognised. We have done some research for you and recommend that you check out a particular training provider listed underneath this video. They allow you to take the course and pay only when you pass the course, so make sure you check them out.